Hi guys! This video is the second day of my short visit to Lombok. After exploring some resorts in Senggigi area, I decided to explore Kuta Beach Lombok. Yes, there is Kuta Beach too in Lombok, not only in Bali. So this video is about my road trip from Senggigi to Kuta Lombok and review of Mandalika Motogp Circuit. Journey is around 1 hour from Senggigi, which is in the west, to Kuta Beach, which is in the south. The south is getting more and more famous nowadays. Tourists has more options to stay beside in Senggigi area. There are few famous beaches in Kuta area. Tanjung Aan with its turquoise water and powdery white sand beach, Merese Hill with its dramatic hills and hidden white sand beaches, and also Segar Hill overviewing pretty ocean and where the famous statue of Princess Mandalika located. I will explain all in different videos for this. Our journey is accompanied by Ed Sheeran, Elton John, and Enrique in the radio, making this road trip more fun. Senggigi, we are passing the old Ampenan town, where famous also as an Arabic town. Vendors are selling dry dates and Arabic snacks and Muslim needs related in this area. Then we are crossing the bridge, leaving the west behind us, and then we go to the center of Lombok, the same road to go to the international airport. Beach road and hills from the far, also rice field is our scenery in this side of the island. Here we are entering the main entrance of Kuta area with the statue of a wave and surfer inside. Can see that the area is very quiet. Lombok is not back to its feet yet after the 7th scale Richter earthquake hit last year. The tourists are not coming back yet. The expensive cost of domestic flight making it more difficult for domestic tourists to come to Lombok, where actually Lombok main tourist arrivals are domestic. But good that I saw a few of foreigners in this area. They are riding the bike with surfing board on the side or simply just walking. The main area of Kuta Beach is super nice. With the huge iconic signage of Kuta Mandalika, it is so pretty to shoot with my drone. Mandalika area is our giant project to make this area as MOTOGP Circuit in 2021, as the initiative of our beloved President Mr. Joko Widodo, and I'm so proud of it too. The track will be built in September 2019 and targeted to finish in 2020 so it will be ready for the race in 2021. This is going to be the first MotoGP street circuit. As you can see from this drone footage, the beach are so pretty, golden sandy beach and hills at the end.
We are closing in on heaven, and I know we'll be alright. Be alright, be alright. Yeah, I know we'll be alright. We are closer now than ever, and I know we'll be alright. Be alright, be alright.
I did not spend lots of time here. We continue our journey to Senggigi. The road is broken, and my driver said that it will not be fixed, as this area is actually the circuit area. Thank you for watching guys, and see you on my next video about Senggigi Lombok. Bye bye!